Little stormtrooper featuring tomorrow, I think. Check out location out with my blog gateway. And this is probably
Hay que esperar hasta que tenemos.
esperar hasta que nos llamen. Good morning, Marion. Thank you for being here. Oh, Capitolo. Folks, let's talk about today. So it is annual pass holder preview for Rocket Football out there. Bingo, bingo, let's go. They got it. They got it. They're out here. Well, let's go.
Fans, for sure! Are you excited for the concert? For sure! Is it true the band still hasn't arrived? For sure! Well, are you worried at all? For sure! Would anyone be a fan of Jan? For sure! Even a stoic yet handsome newsman type?
Super Chat, $4.99 from DJI picking up steam. Oh my gosh. Thank you again.
So this is a replica.
Why are there so many?
Kermit's banjo for so these are replicas.
So thank you again, DJI Bank, for the Super Chat, $4.99. I'll act on the Super Chat real official now. Here's the time, folks. Super Chat, Everybody didn't miss the same Super Chat there.
So some of them are replicas.
Space Wolf.
My friends, make sure we're sliding all the way down, filling in all the space.
Welcome to Fort Record.
Yes.
Wrapped on. Guys, Electric Mayhem. All right. Excuse me, Electric Mayhem. Yeah, can I just let's take it off.
Welcome to the studio. Please keep moving all the way across the room. The band is easily distracted, so please no flash photography or video lighting, and please not sit on the handbells.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguins, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos!
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? People!
Scooter?
Hey, what's happening? Rock!
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But I, Gonzo.
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics. They can't get enough. I'm going back in. Here I come, girls.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
Okay,
We should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Two, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please head to the alleyway to the Muppet Labs Automotive Lab. We want to get all of you VIPs to your concerts as quickly as possible. So please keep moving and moving all the way forward, everyone.
Enjoy the show.
All right, guys, let's keep rocking and rolling.
See you later. Have fun.
audio?
Alright! Hey gang, we got a spectacular delivery for you. From across the pond, slip quickly to your ears, may we introduce to you Def Leppard!